Hey guys, this is Mike here down at Cultivate in Oklahoma City. Make sure to hit the link below and subscribe and check out our website, cultivatesupply.com. Today we're talking about some irrigation. This here is a full, instead if you don't want to use the assemblies with the emitters and the stake in the line, we have, if you need a custom measurement, we have all the individual pieces that you would need to make any kind of design that you like. Here are the emitters. They go by gallon per hour, also color coded. We have some tech lock straights, elbows, and tees. The thing about these ones is you can connect it right into the tube and screw it on and tighten it, so it's nice and convenient and easy. Here are we also sell the individual stakes that go right into your pot, and like I said, they all come together to make an assembly just like this, which we also sell. Here's the mainline tubing, come in 500 foot, 100 foot rolls, from 3/4 inch to 1 inch to 1/2 inch, you know. For the pump, you have to reach a certain PSI for this, so you want at least a 3rd horsepower pump. One of the pumps we recommend here would be the Eco 1500 Elite. This is a great pump to keep it going. Here's the hole punch. We also sell goof plugs. So let's see, if you're using your hole punch and you say you make a spot that you're not too happy with, you can easily fix it with a goof plug. Thank you for watching, guys. Check out the website, cultivatesupply.com, and the link below for even more educational videos. I hope this video was helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And any questions, come on down. We'd love to help you. Thanks, guys.